Good morning. It's a great morning. Yes, it is. It's a great day. What's the date? The 9th of August. Wow. Wednesday. Hump day. Get your hump on. Get your hump on. Let's go to the Alpha Trading Discord. Let's see our fine folks over here that are just waiting. Waiting. Let's see. Let's share that screen with them. Beautiful. Beautiful. Make sure everything's up and running very nicely. Looking good. Oh, internet's being a little lazy this morning. There we go. There it went. Kicked in. High gear. Green bars. Let's rock and roll. So yesterday. I bought those 449 calls live on stream. Did they pay off? Yeah, they did. I explained exactly why I bought them, and it played out exactly the way the VEPS indicators were saying they were going to play out. Indeed, sirs and women's. Beautiful thing, man. Beautiful thing. Got them down here for about 7 cents. So you get SPY pre-market, takes a nice little dump. I was patient. I wasn't buying any puts. Where this opened up, wasn't having it. We were too close. We were below the monthly range. No telling what this thing was going to do. Really looked like it was going to drop to the second standard deviation. Even dropped a little bit below it. That's a blue cross line there. And then again, got those 449 calls for about 7 cents. I think I got them for 7 cents. I think the low on them was about a nickel. Almost added a few more on when they did drop. But yeah, ended up at the end of the day in the money. Took profit. Where did I take my profit at? Right here. Right? I took it right on this candle right here, right when it got back up above first support level of the daily volatility range. It was a good trade. Beautiful thing. Let me see here. Dum 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 dum. And that was live on stream. Been nailing these calls lately. Not lately. Been nailing these calls since I started with the VEPS. It's a no freaking brainer. Look, leading information matters. We can't push this narrative any harder. You know, there's a lot of people out there that like to use lagging indicators for whatever reason. It doesn't matter. I don't know. It doesn't matter. Maybe you don't like to make money. That could be one of the reasons. I like to make money. So I'm here using leading information. You're not going to find anything else like this out there in TradingView, not what we've put together. Right? If you see anybody else on YouTube talking about the way we trade, right? If they're talking about the VEPS in any way, shape, or form, send them our way. Hook us up so we can talk with them. Right? Because there's nobody out there doing this. Right? There's nobody out there doing this. Period. The end. And let alone would put in enough time to learn how to use leading information, which kind of is just a mind-boggling to me. They'd rather use lagging indicators instead of, hey man, let's take a little break. Let's see what these guys are up to. They're claiming they have leading information. We don't have to claim anything. We nail targets all the time because of this leading information. Very powerful. Very powerful indeed. And those 449 calls paid off yesterday. Paid off indeed. So what do we got to get going today? Was up a little more pre-market. And a lot of people are liking the way, we Dixie's a big part of what I do personally. It really is. Well, let's see. We're getting a little pullback here. All right. Let's see what you're doing. Just got to take a good look at Dixie here. We got a 15-minute. Let's pop this over there. And BTC back over 30K. YouTube Jimmy, you're such a hack. You guys are such hacks. It's not even funny. Oh, it's going to drop. It's good. Oh, my God. Well, I got a news flash for you. It didn't drop. So what are you going to do for today's thumbnail, Jimmy? Oh, now we're bullish again. We were bearish the last 2 days. Bitcoin's going to just dump. Give me a break. People are so funny, man. When you have leading information, makes a big difference. Makes a big difference. Let me see here. We got Beautiful gold just getting pounded. So what's the narrative here? Is gold sound money? No, not in my opinion. It's not. Bitcoin, man. Bitcoin. So when you got gold pulling back with Dixie pumps, right? Bitcoin doesn't care. Bitcoin is the honey badger, right? Bitcoin eats dollars for breakfast. It does not care about Dixie. You'll see every once in a while it'll make some moves, counter to Dixie, but not often, man. Not often. Let's see. Let me take a peek here real quick. Okay, let's go to Dixie. We got 4 hour. Yeah, that's about all I need, really. Although, let's see how that daily closed. Uh-oh. Dixie. What you doing there, bag? Well, let me blow this up. See if we got a higher high here. I don't think we do. No, we don't. Okay. So we do got div coming in, though. Do got div. Look at all these lower highs. Up underneath the zero mean. Positively correlated. Had the little cross on the wave trend and Fisher right here. So 101.9, huh? That would definitely be a nice target to have a nice day in these markets if it did drop. We're gonna have to work our flow here. Yeah, that's right. Work our flow, also known as workflow. Let's see here. Let's go to the 4 hour. Wait, let me look at one more time. Prediction models at the top side, huh? Going into random walk. Oh, wow. Right, so you got the 2400 volatility expanding, negatively correlated. 981 expanding positive. You got the 2400 correlation just broken negative, and it's expanding. This is real. Let me see what this 4 hour has to hold for us. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Although down here, you get to the 4 hour, it's setting up hidden bull. All right, setting up some hidden bull divergence. The 30 length Z score is up. Low length down. Low length down. See something real quick here. Yeah, it's on the returns oscillator. Low length Z score. Hidden bull setting up. I mean, you were sitting right on the 9 log MA too. Top side of the power mean band. We all know you can ride the power mean band up, but eventually you're going to come back. You're going to test bottom side of the power mean band, 33 power mean, reverse wave trend. There's so many areas here, so many areas. So yeah, well, that's all great. Which one's it going to hit? It's what the workflow is for. You're looking for confluences, right? Through all these time frames, especially on this UPM. Where are all these levels coming in at? There's a lot that goes into this. We're not going to sugarcoat this. If you put the time in to learn this stuff, though, look out, man. Look out, man. You will be rewarded. You will be rewarded. Okay, that's enough of that. Full random walk, too. So, prediction model on the 4 hours down. Daily, it is to the top side. I don't see it, though, man. I don't see it. So now we're going to go to the 90-minute. Look at this 90-minute candle for old Dixie. Hidden bear div. Yeah, hidden bear div. There it is right there. There's the high. Here's the last local high down here on the 90-minute, right? Get a higher high on the returns oscillator right here. Off of what? Look at the bull div, right? Look, I say this all the time. What moves the data sets around? It's the imbalance in the buy and sell pressure. It's the divergence between price action and returns, not price action and price. This is what you're doing if you're using an RSI or stochastics or anything like that. Why, in God's name, are you looking for divergences between price and price? Do we understand what divergence is to begin with? Say it all the time. The imbalance in buy and sell pressure. So if price action is following returns, which it is, you can deny it all you want. I got eaten alive by mosquitoes yesterday. So if you see me bending over itching, yeah. I got eaten alive, man. My legs are just chewed up. I got sweet meat. What can I say, man? They love me. I will literally be at a campfire. There'll be like 20 people. I'm the only one getting nailed. Mosquitoes are just eating me alive. It's like, what the fuck? Nobody else is getting bit. It's
Like
insane.
Sweet meat. That's a good one.
Got the sweet meat. They like it. They got me good. Oh my God.
It's the blood, man. They like the taste.
Yeah. The bush blood. So 90-minute reverse wave trend right now. That's where Dixie's at. That's where Dixie's at. So wait a minute. I was into something before I got distracted there with my mosquito bites. The hell was I talking about? Oh yeah, divergence. So you're out there using RSI and Stokes and stuff for divergence, man. Guys, wake up. Hello, you can use it if you want. Good luck. That's all I got to say for you. Because when you're entering, guess who's on the other side of your trades when you're using that kind of stuff for divergence? I mean, I bring these examples up all the time. I can pull up an RSI and show you how bad it is compared to the returns oscillator. There's not even a comparison. I mean, we're talking, it's such a low percentage of the time that the RSI will show any type of divergence that the returns oscillator is showing. I mean, it's really low, man. Really low. You don't want to be using that indicator. You need an indicator built on the returns. This is everything we do here: volatility, entropy, probability, and statistics. It's not the traditional way of trading. You know what way of trading it is? The way of the high frequency trading firm algorithms that just keeps hammering you day after day after day after day after day. And you're using lagging indicators against a literal behemoth that's using leading information. And then you wonder why. So what do people call it? They're using that crap. Manipulation. The markets are manipulated. No, they're not. What? Because somebody has a bigger bag than you? Somebody has a bigger bag than me. I'm going to figure out how to ride their coattails. They're messy eaters. Right? These big high frequency trading firm algorithms, these mosquito bites are going to be the death of me today, man. Jesus. Yeah. They are just chewing people up all day long because they're using leading information. People think, oh, they got insider. They know this. They know that. It's like, you guys, you always want to make up some BS instead of just zeroing in on the truth, which is traditional technical analysis is lagging, inherently lagging, because it's not built on the returns, for crying out loud. That's the last time I'm going to say that today. But you can see how this hidden bear played out beautifully right to the reverse wave trend on the 90-minute. It's telling me a lot too. Let's see where this 45 went. Swings like that I like to see before, right? So I can jump right at the market open. But you can see pre-market, this thing is definitely, what's it up? 0.15. Not really a lot, considering what's going on here. Let's see the 45. Yeah, hidden on the 45 too. Z-score and returns oscillator. Wow. And look at the 45, man. Everything's down. Everything's down. Outlier here, variance coming down. Variance is negatively correlated right now as it's coming down. So this could shift quick. Let me see here. It's already setting up what? Hidden bull. It's setting up hidden bull, which it's got it because high probability this candle does not close below the 99 log MA. Can it? Yeah, it did back here. But there's a high probability it won't, especially when you're jamming right through reverse Fisher and wave trend right now. The more probable move is this thing to pull up this 45-minute candle in about a minute 15. Oh, this is beautiful. Close up above it. Let's see what happens. Wave trends up here at 102.417. See if it closes up above it. Got a minute? Yeah, I got time. There it goes. And so what's that going to set up? Look, you got a lower low on the returns oscillator, right? This would be a higher low. Nothing's set in stone yet, right? This candle hasn't even closed. 49, 48, 47. It's coming hot, though. And as we speak, trying to pull up above that area. So we'll see what happens. If it closes below, we could definitely see the next candle down here at what, 0.358, something like that. Right at the 99 log MA. Powerful. But it is right now. Take your profit. Take your profit. You're also below that 45-minute candle. We got 3 seconds left. It's going to close below the 95 for Laplace. Going to close below the 95 for Laplace. Now that just closed below. See what happens here. So it closed below the 9, the 33 log MA, both of them. Reverse wave trend. It closed right at the Fisher. This is lovely. This is one of those times you're like, oh, we're going to let this play out. A little too close for comfort, man. A little too close for comfort. Could it dump out more? Yeah. Probability, though, is to come back. Well, to come back up to the top side of the power mean band here. That would probably be more likely. More likely. Well, hello there.
I know. I've never slept tonight.
My mother's here. Lovely. Coffee's in the kitchen.
Thank you.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh.
Right on the other side of the world.
Yes.
Oh, it's gonna get warm.
And look at the 33 setting up the freaking hidden. Wow. Putchy, look at the Z-scores, man. They're down. This thing's a total random walk. Volatility's totally expanded. Yeah. I mean, if you were in a down move right here in dollar, man, if you're not taking your profit, you definitely aren't using the VEPS because you would be. You would be indeed. So now you're down here. Look at the log MAs down here. You're literally this 33-minute candle. It closes in a minute 44. It's trying to pull back up above wave trend. 102.433. It's already back up above the 45, right? 417. It was right there. It's a trying. And they're in the 33. Could easily close up here. Got a minute and a half. Let's see what happens. Yep, this is my daily story. Bouncing through these time frames, man. Working the flow. Working the flow. Let's see what this 15's at.
The live chat is back on TradingView more consistently.
The what?
Now, anyway. Ye old live chatty seems to be working on TradingView.
I still am not getting it. I don't know what the heck's wrong. So, good. At least somebody can see it. So some questions arise.
Yeah.
I'm good to go. So even the 15-minute, right, came down, tested the bottom side of the power mean band, 33 power mean. That's the pink dots right there. I like it to stick out. It's my favorite power mean. Let's see here. From back here, though, right, hidden. Boom, 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 boom. You actually had bear div, right, from back here. Bam, it finally played out. As soon as it crosses zero mean, down we go. Beautiful thing. And now you get down here on the 15, tell me the dollar, everything's up, man. Z-scores are up, returns oscillators up. It is negatively correlated. Total random walk, too. Total random walk. You got low-length volatility contracting, positively correlated. 981 contracting, positively correlated. 2400 contracting. Correlation just broke as well. Positively correlated. This thing going to reject off of the freaking wave trend? It could, man. It could. Let's go to low time frames. Let's see here. 9 minute. Come on, baby. Populate for me. Come on, you. Need that power mean band. There it is. Yep. Underneath the wave trend as well. Gotta love that. Look at a 9 minute candle. Wick right to the 33 power mean. Pulls up. Boom. Get a wick below outside. Closes up on top of the 33 power mean. Now, boom. Wick right to reverse wave trend. And, might add, 99 and 33 log MA. Right together. At the wave trend. Huh, that's a tough road to hoe there. Dixie. 9 minute chart. You running into a brick wall right there. Running into a brick wall. Volatility, let's see. Yeah, man, we're contracting, positively correlated. 2400 is expanding a little bit, still negative. Yeah, everything's staying down there, man. Let's see. Ooh, bull div. So you go down to the 6 minute, right? You go down to the 6 minute. So look at the data set. This is what we're talking about, price action and returns. Look at the data set. Look at the price action heading down. Guys, look at the returns. Returns heading up. What's that building? Bull div. When did we get this 6 minute candle up? As soon as it crosses zero mean. Bam. We get one little 6 minute candle. But just like the 9 minute, look, you got the You've got the 33 in the, you got the 33 and the 99 log MA right at the reverse wave trend here as well. Boy, Dixie, you're in trouble. And here, let me show you something else too, man. Let's see here. Go back up here. Yeah, this is daily. I mean, look what happened yesterday when it snuck down, sent a wick to the center of the weekly. Now you're back up under the daily range, below the 68.3 Laplace distribution range on the daily. This weekly level down here is just screaming for some action. Please, Dixie, come hump me. That's what it's hump day. Let's get a little Dixie hump. It's what the AVR or the AVR, the VRE is saying. Yeah, that's right, buddy. That is right. Beautiful variance. Beautiful variance and its outliers. Variance and its outliers. Variance and its outliers. What is variance? Spread of data from the mean. What data? That data, for crying out loud. Nah, it's the returns, man. It's the returns. Let's see here.
Wow.
Price doesn't have a mean. This is the, I love talking. Exactly. Love talking to people like that. You know, I know about this stuff. You only got to usually listen for a few minutes, right? And most high probability of the times you're like, okay, here, you want to really learn? Because it's very confusing, man. It is very, yeah. Oh no, it's very confusing. Where are we setting up right now? Damn, hidden bear on the 3 minute, up under everything. I'm telling you, man. If this all flips bearish, it's usually, this is why I use the 15 a lot, because it will determine for me like a lot of stuff going on intraday. Yesterday was just so easy, it was ridiculous, right? Really was. I mean, ding, 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 ding. Very simple. Why do I say that? Okay, look. Here was yesterday. Let's see here. Where is... You had Dixie. Here's where the stream was opening up, right? You had Dixie run into the 95.4 Laplace, second standard deviation, while SPY was at the bottom side, opened up pre-market, right? Down at by the second standard deviation, 95.4 Laplace. Within like 45 minutes, it was down there. That's why immediately, got the deal on those 449 calls. 7 cents, jumped on them. Closed out. They were in the money when I closed out. Pretty sure they were at like 60 cents. I think that's where I closed out. It was a great trade, man. It really was. It was a great trade. Watching it happen, it was like, did exact. SPY is exactly what I thought it was. Rain dance. All right, let's go, boys and girls. What do we got? 7 minutes. Ugh, my joy of the day. The market open. The market freaking open. Go over here. Make sure I'm not missing anything. Oh, you be okay, Thumb Master. Because I'm lazy. Because I'm lazy, that's why. Dude, I've got like 5,000 thumbnails on in my downloads. I'm just answering. Yasha knows who I'm talking about. I get you. I think I only saved 2 of the ones you gave me the other day. I got so many, bro. I get lost in thumbnails. Does that ever happen for anybody else? I get lost in them.
As long as you're all in the arsenal and you can use them whenever you want.
Dude, they're I got piles of thumbnails. Yo, they call me the thumb. They call me the thumb.
That's right.
Let me see. Let me go over here. Let me go into the live chat on Alpha Voice. See what we're talking about here. Dex, blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah, let's go. Stream it up, baby. Featured streams. Click that rocket icon. Let's go. You know what? Here, I'll show you. Do a little preview. Hit that. Boom. I was number 5. Thank you for the previous 4. It's beautiful. I'm getting about 10 boosts a day, I think. Something like that. It's not bad, man. Lots of views. Appreciate you, Trading View. Guys, it's a whole new universe using leading information. That's all we got to say about it. The link to the Alpha Trading Discord's in the description. Come on over. Education's free. We have a free volatility starter kit. Free. First thing you're going to notice, are these guys legit? Go into our descriptions on our very, very shadow banned YouTube channel. Anywhere in the Discord. We have no affiliate links. Right? We're not trying to extract money from the community at all. Like all the other YouTubers out there. It's all they care about. These guys are great traders. I'm going to listen to them. You know how they make money? From you buying their crap, giving them clicks, watching their videos. Where here, I'll give you a little challenge. You watch us for a week and then look at YouTube Jimmy's thumbnails all week long. See who you'd rather follow, because this is it. It's ridiculous at this point, man. It really is. These guys are total clowns. Yes, we're calling you out. We're calling the clowns out. Good Lord.
Besides, we have cooler thumbnails.
Yeah. Yeah, we got really cool thumbnails. There's always a hot chick and a cool wolf.
Mm-hmm.
That's right. The best of both worlds. Whee! And they're really cool wolves, man. Really cool wolves. Yeah. Some of the women, I'm just like, wow. Interesting.
Yeah. They're very interesting.
For sure. You know what I want to look at? Gold, because gold's just getting worked. Yeah, gold's in trouble again. Gold's in trouble again. So I'm already looking at weekly levels, and I'm not looking at the first support level on the weekly. No. I'm at least looking at the second. Second support level on the weekly is 1900 on the nose. 1900 and, 45 mini shekels.
I want my shekels.
I want me shekels. So yeah, it's definitely creeping, man. It is creeping. I'll tell you what, especially. And guys, I mean, it's literally right now, it's like dumping out with Dixie. It's like gold. Every day somebody sells their gold, buys Bitcoin. That narrative is alive. It's fun. It's like musical chairs. Who's going to get left holding the gold bag? Hopefully China. They can have it all. A bunch of worthless crap. It really is, man. We're in a digital age. Let's see here. All right. Yeah, gold's in trouble, man.
Yeah, you want to see a stonk that has been taking a beating for the last couple of years?
What kind of stonk are we talking about?
You know the company WeWork? Ticker signal We.
We, like WEE?
Yep. They went from a $22 billion valuation to $168 million yesterday at their
Weed stock?
Oh, WeWork. It's like offices you rent, like
WeWork. And the ticker is WEE.
No, just WE.
WE. Well, there you go. There it is. WeWork. Okay. Am I prepared for this?
Put that on the weekly.
Here. Yeah. You know what? Let me flip that back to actually Dixie. Let me go over here. Let me put we over here. Wee! It's like Wee Man. It's Wee Man's business. Oh, good Lord. Okay, weekly, he says. 5 day. Where you at, baby? Ouch. Oof. Let's turn off the Power Mean ban. Power Mean ban does not like shit coins. Holy crap, man. Oh, well. It's looking good.
They raised like $22 billion from VCs, and then they went public, and they were obviously unicorn, and I think their valuation at some point, their market cap was like $44 billion or something. And at their low, they were like, I mean, yesterday they closed at $168 million.
So when's this thing been around? 21? Since like 21?
Yeah.
Late 2020? Yeah. Oh, so it launched during like prime scamdemic.
Yeah, well, they've been around since a bunch of years before that, but they went public.
They went public. And look, everything was good. IPO looked great. And then for crying out loud, what a shitcoin, man. Pre-market down to 16 cents too. Dude, IPO'd at what, 10 and a half?
What kind of business is it?
Yeah, they lost a lot so far.
Good Lord, man. What in the freaking heck? Yeah, it's brutal.
Well, because they had some mismanagement at the top, and the founder guy had to leave. But he made a bunch of money, obviously.
Right here.
And,
who was buying the tops? Oh, it was just a quick pullback. Yeah, the VCs are taking some profit. Now here we go. This thing's going to $100.
They had amazing hype. They had amazing hype in the beginning, and then just
This is what mismanagement looks like, folks.
Exactly.
Gee, Merry Christmas. Hey, all right. Now we got better things to do. Let's go over here. Dixie. Ooh, likey. Daddy likey. Where you at pre-market? Okay, 449. What do we got? Center of the monthly here. And by the way, yesterday closed up inside the weekly and the monthly range. Everybody seen that, right? What we got here? 451. Oh, Lord, really? Yeah, why not? Shit, man. Let's let this early first candle here play out. Damn, I got the hiccups. So where do we got the center of the daily? Yeah, center of the daily's right at the 68.3 Laplace, pretty much, man. Right at it. Literally. 10th of a penny. No, actually a penny above. 10th of a penny. Good Lord. Penny above, man. So you're sitting right here. So what do we got here? 448.22. Come on, let's get a quick little touch there. Let's get a touch there. By 2030. Yeah, Kathy Woods, another hack. There's a bunch of them out there, man.
Yeah. You remember that guy 4 months ago that went on her show and said, oh, it's going to be $1 million by like July, August?
Yeah.
Okay, well, we're in August. It's not $1 million for a Bitcoin.
Not $1 million. That's what's crazy, though, is what people don't realize, that it is actually an asset where you could go to sleep and wake up and be at $1 million. You just never know with Bitcoin, man.
Look, it could easily have insane gains and many multiples, but like, it's just why people listen to hedge fund managers
is beyond me.
Yeah, all they're doing is misinforming people.
Yeah, because you know the people that aren't talking, the high frequency trading firms. They're the ones not talking, and they're the ones you should be following. So what have we done? We built a system here. We built a system with leading information, right? We know what the algos are up to. We know the levels the algos love to take profit at. This is getting juicy. Come on here. Come on, get your butt down there. You sexy little data set. We love our spider. Give me a second. Let's get that out. Let me kick this order real quick. Clear that out. Yeah, so yeah, I'm definitely looking for this move to the daily range here. You're at the top side of it right now, though, right? It's at 448.61. We were just bouncing right off the top. But I love you like the 68.3 Laplace, right? Bottom or top, the top or bottom side. It's a nice platform to bounce off of, right? Kind of just like this reality, right? Came in, spirit incarnate into a meat suit, and it gave us a nice platform to bounce off of. It's beautiful. Let's see here. What are you doing? Get your butt down there. Definitely looks like it's wanting to. And Dixie, like I said, man, Dixie's weak again. Dixie's really weak again. Looking for good entries, though. That's what you do, right? That's what you do. I really, really, really try. When you've got these leading levels of the distribution, you can get great entries. Little news flash, little secret. You just got to be patient. You just got to be patient. Because right now, I mean, literally, we're right almost at the mean of the distribution. I mean, it's a little bit below, but you got the center of the daily range pretty much. I mean, everything's right here, right about in the center of the 68.3 Laplace, which is also the center of the normal distribution bell curve. Let's see. So just being patient here, man. So I got my eyeballs up here on the center of the monthly range. Really do. VIX got up to 17, pulled back hard. Pulled back yesterday, right? Yeah. This move, once again, there was a 68. Go to yesterday's stream and listen when I was taking the entry on the 449 calls. I was literally telling everybody there's a 68.3% chance the data set's going to close back inside the first standard deviation. Did it? Yeah. Probabilities, man. Probabilities. That's why when you're down here at the second standard deviation, There was literally, and the 95.4 Laplace distribution range on the daily, there's a 4.6% chance the data set was going to close below that area. So are you going to go with the 95.4% chance that it doesn't close below? Let's take Laplace distribution, for instance. Of course. That's why I took the entry down here. And working the probabilities. And man, it was just a beautiful rise all day. All freaking day. Now, when it got down here, I'm gonna tell you, I was so close to taking profit down here. But when the data set was here, man, it was only, I'm pretty sure they were about a quarter, right? Just this little move pumped in another by like 25 cents a premium or more. So just being patient on taking those, because it was a no-brainer to me what was going on. I thought we were going to get back in the daily range, but I wasn't going to be greedy. So I took the profit right here at that first support level. I think I let it go by a little bit, and there was the 4-hour candle, right? First standard deviation to the top side. I pretty much didn't close a candle above that last 4-hour. Power move, man. Power move. God, and these mosquitoes. They jacked me up yesterday so good. If it's not hornets, it's mosquitoes. Need a good honey badger out here. Let me see here. Let me pop this over here real quick. What are you doing, Dixie? Trying to find some legs. I understand. But you are below the daily, below the 68.3. I like this area down here, man. This thing drops to 102.184 here at the top of the weekly. You're going to see a nice little move. Gold might even get a little pop. What are those babies at? Man, I don't know if it's going to get too much better than that. 20 cents. Buy one of these pups. There we go. Starting slow. Now, let's go over here real quick. Let's check this out. Now, we don't know 5-day. We want the daily. We're going to start here. Yabba dabba doo. Where are you? Yeah, hidden, man. Hidden bull. Hidden bull is real. You got the high length, the Z-score on the daily down. It's the only one. What's going on with the volatility? Nice. I like seeing that. Contracting on the low length, negatively correlated. It's really looking like these correlations as they're contracting too, because you literally got 2,400 and 981 contracting positively correlated. That'll definitely they'll slow play this. We need to see that correlation break, but we're talking a daily time frame. This is where the workflow comes in. Let's see here, 4-hour. What are you doing, 4-hour? Bull div, man. Bull div, like a munga. Bouncing. Look at the bounces off the zero mean. Look at this prediction model, man. This thing is just flipping back and forth. Woof! Goodness gracious. Contracting volatility negatively correlated down here on the 4-hour. Right, everything. Even the 2,400 starting to roll over and come down. Let's blow it up. Yep, contracting. Good. They're all negatively correlated. That's what you want to see. The 90-minute here. Look at all these little stabs of bull div, man. Playing out every time. Whoop! And it's clean on the top side. That's what you need to understand as well. Bull div on the bottom. Usually what's happening? You're setting up the bull div. You're going to be, when you get those pumps, you're going to set up hidden bear. Not happening, man. Not right now. In the returns oscillator, turn back down. We're going to get a bounce on the zero mean. Looks like the low length Z-score is trying to turn up too. Very similar right here. The Z-score and the return oscillator read. They're both set on a 7 length, by the way. This Z-score is set on a 30. For people that do have the indicators and want to know exactly what I'm running. All you got to do, come in Discord, ask. You can ask. We even have a chart set up. It's got a lot of my settings. We can just zip it right into you. Okay. Let's check this 45. What are we doing? Oh, there's some hidden. There's some hidden bear.
Yeah, boy.
All right. Expanding positively correlated. What's a 981 doing? Man, it's contracting. Negative. Or no. 981 is expanding negative. It's the 2400 is kind of flat positive. Yeah, tail of two donkeys. Let's go to 33. That gap yesterday, beautiful. Run up. Yeah, see, that variance was negatively correlated. Just flipped positive down here on the 33. Prediction model's still to the top side. This thing hasn't broke yet. The volatility on the 33, though, is expanding. Well, yeah, you're down pre-market. Of course it's going to be. Of course it's going to be. And back here, though, yeah, nice. No bear div. What do you want? Got a wolf that wants out. You want to go see your brother? Come on. Come on. Go fight. That's right. Let out the wolf. And there's the big wolf. They're both just hanging out. Good shit, man. Good shit, boys. Good shit.
These nuts. Watch your profanity.
Oh, boy. Okay, I do like this on the 15. Now you got the Z-score way low down here. Win turn up. Because the 30 length is turning up right now. Boy, it's trying. It sure is trying. The prediction models flip, though. Well, of course. Pre-market, man. Pre-market in the open down here. I mean, this first 15-minute candle, you were running towards the 95.4 Laplace, right? And that's on that current 15-minute candle. That's what's great about the distribution. You got a ton of time frames, right? Different distribution on every time frame. And when you're looking for confluence, it's powerful, man. It is powerful. It is good stuff. Wow. Look at the 15-minute, though, man. Look at the returns oscillator. Good Lord. Here's the thing. You see, look at the data set just slowly drifting, right? Just running to the top side. All lower highs on the return oscillator, right? We're down right now. So people be going, oh, man, that bear div, man, we're going to get crushed. But when you got all this bear div setting up, lower lows on the return oscillator, higher lows on the data set, what's that setting up? Hidden bull. Hidden bull. That's the battle, right? You got bear div and hidden bull battling right now. That's why you're seeing all this chop, man. It ended up the top side, but took a look. I mean, look at the pull down on the wicks. Yeah, man, powerful stuff. There's that 30 length. That thing just turned up. That's what you want to see with that baby charging, especially when the low lengths down here. You use those confidence intervals. Another nice little platform to bounce off of. You turn that up, then you get a returns oscillator turned up on a bunch of hidden. Because even though that's a lot of bear div building, right? There's also a lot of hidden bull building. Who's winning right now? Bulls. That's all it is. People want to complicate this crap. It's not complicated. You got buyers and sellers. That's all you got. And so what is technical analysis? Especially, this is what they tell you in traditional TA. Well, technical analysis, man, you're just evaluating the emotional state of the traders. Bots don't have emotions. This is what's crazy. I've never freaking believed that. That's what they're going to tell you because you're using lagging indicators, right? That, oh, you're just charting the emotions of the traders. I don't give a shit what the other traders are doing. I want leading information for the data sets. I want to know where my distribution levels are at. I want to know where my volatility ranges are at. I want to know if there's divergences setting up. That's what I want to know. I could care less about the emotional state of a bunch of whack traders, man, because we all are all crazy. If you trade these markets all the time, you're definitely nuts. It's okay. Join the crowd. We're a big, happy group. Let's see here. All right. Where's this thing dropping to? Right to the bottom. Right. There you are. There you are. Let me see here. And that is, you are right at the bottom of the daily range right now. We're getting this candle closed in 43 seconds. Let's see if it pulls up and closes inside to 68.3 because these bears are pushing it down. They went down, tested the bottom side of the daily. No brainer. Let me put this on a minute so we can really see these ranges now. There's the bottom of the daily right there. You got the center, like I said at the beginning, right at the bottom of the 68.3 Laplace. Right there. This would be a great place for a little, we got out there, a little doggy poo wanting in. Should be all right. So let's see where this 15-minute candle closes. I mean, so this 68.3% Laplace distribution range on the daily. What does that mean? It means there's a 68.3% chance that SPY closes below 450 and a 68.3% chance it closes above 448 and a quarter, right? 68.3% chance the daily candle closes in this range. But then you have normal distribution. The first blue crosses to the top and bottom. That is normal. That's the normal distribution. It's also a 68.3, right? That's right. So to the downside, 446.5. Top side, 451. What's that number? 0.79. This is why I love the 95 for Laplace in the second standard deviation. That's also 95.4. You get up to these areas, it makes trading life real easy, right? Because what probability are you going to go with? It's tough with the 68.3, right? Because you still have a high probability you can close out there, right? When you get up to the 95.4, I'm going with the 95.4% every freaking time. I don't care if the market's like, you know what, we're going to take that 4.6%, we're going to shove it up the UU. It happens sometimes, man. You got to get out of your trades. Don't let the market take money, right? If you get an entry, it turns against you. It's pretty simple. It's just as easy as it was to hit the buy button. It's just as easy to hit the sell button. It's like human psychology, though, right? You don't want to, like, because who else is going to do it for you? You literally have to sit back and as a trader and be like, okay, well, I was wrong, right? I have to get out of this trade. Nobody else is going to do it for you. Nobody else is going to do it for you. And these markets, especially these high frequency trading firms, your money is sweet. They will take it. Trust me. I know. They will take your money and run. And they love it. There's a reason why they are the high frequency trading firms. You think they get liquidated? No, they are doing the liquidating. So once again, people are like, manipulation. It is. The markets are manipulated. It should be illegal. Short selling should be illegal. These are the things that people say that just make you scratch your head and go, yep, you don't get it. They're using leading information. That's all it is. They know where the distribution levels are at. They know where the volatility ranges are at. Which a lot of people don't understand that, which is fine, man, which is fine. And you don't, like we say all the time, we're here to help traders. That's why everything's free. If you get to the point down the road where you want to actually buy our indicator package, hey, we're here for you. Support. There's many steps before that, though. You go ask YouTube Jimmy, or if he's ever going to say, don't buy my indicators. He never will. He's pushing them constantly, right? With his just total BS. Guys, we're telling you right now, in my opinion, you should come into this Discord and work hard with the basic free tools, learning all this information for months, man, maybe even a quarter, right? For a few months. Really get down everything. Then we have a free trial for the indicators for 2 weeks. And in some cases, we've pushed that out to a month for some people. In rare occasions, some people, if you take your time and use the free tools and stuff for a few months, really learn what we're doing here, you're only going to need 2-week free trial, right? You're only going to need it. And then you'll probably be buying the indicator package, which, by the way, is very inexpensive. I'll never say cheap because nothing we do is cheap. It's inexpensive. $100 a month, I think, is what it is. Hell, I don't even know. We're always running deals and stuff. But like I said, don't just come right into this Discord because there's indicator junkies out there. They're just bouncing from YouTuber to YouTuber, just buying everything they have to offer. I'm going to finally find the way. Don't do that here. We tell you, don't come into this Discord right away and just request to buy our indicators because we're going to try to talk you out of it. Hey, man, we have a free chart. Why don't you use this first? Why don't you learn the basics of volatility trading before you dive in the deep end with the sharks? Because they're going to eat you alive in the beginning. You need to understand how all this stuff works first. You got to get all that traditional TA garbage out of your head. That's what you got to do. What do we got down here? Give me 1 second here, boys. Got to load up another. Ching. What's that at? Okay. Yes, live trading. I don't tell till after the fact what exactly I'm doing, but all you got to do is listen. All you got to do is open your ears. It's pretty pretty self-explanatory. Is it raining again?
Yes.
I was gonna take Mama a ride in the hot ride today. I don't think it's happening. So I'm not taking that thing out in the rain. It's gonna stay pristine.
Yeah.
It's not my daily driver.
It's raining. I don't know about that.
Wait till I pro charge it. Woo! For like 10K, I can bolt on like 215 horse safely. Only 7 pounds of boost. 6. Keep it at 6. Wow, here comes the rain. You got dogs in?
No, we have one in
All right, hopefully he's under the. All right, let's get back to business here, ladies and gents. You can probably hear the rain just pounding. Damn. Another torrential downpour. You still 905.6 when that trade's right. Oh, here, let me read all this. You still 905.6 when that trade's right. Oh no. Oh yeah, I'm keeping the VRE say run on the 15-minute because I want to see those candle closes, right? But I am definitely monitoring those low time frames because that's where I'm going to get my exit. 100%. 100%. Look, throw this on the 6-minute. I'm gonna show you exactly what I was doing. So here was yesterday. Look, man. Look at these six. Look, you see this 16-minute this 16-minute, this 6-minute candle right here. Here was my thought process. These 6-minute candles are closing inside the monthly range. Not one closed. Not even that one. Right there, I was getting ready to get out of the trade, but it closed right at it. And then look, if I would have got out of it, because this was my target the whole time, and I almost got out right there. Right. And this, I was just like, oh, dumb. Should have got out, was getting ready to pull the trigger, got out, boom. Right. 2 candles, 12 minutes later, got out of the trade. That's what I'm looking for. You got back up inside, and then that candle closed inside the weekly. No brainer to take profit right there. Right. No freaking brainer to take the profit. Back to 15. Holy torrential downpour, man. Good Lord. Let me see. And what was the context of the other indies? Jeez, man. Let me show you. I'll show you what had me. Was all this on the 15, right? The whole day, price action was going up. Look at the 15-minute returns oscillator. It was tough. I'm not gonna lie. It was a tough trade, right? But it just kept playing out the hidden, right? The bears were trying to push down. The bulls weren't having it. Plus, it was all probabilities really. There was a 68.3% chance especially once it got back up above the 95 for Laplace, that was a no freaking brainer. This thing was going to run up. So that was my thought process. That was my thought process, my friend. Yeah, super long ride, indeed. But trust me, man. I mean, I got a couple down here. I think 7 cents. But when it broke back up inside here too, bought a couple more. So yeah, man, just doing what I do. Wasn't a massive day like what was it on Monday? That was a good day. Monday was a good day. So let's see here. These bears are trying to push this thing down below the daily. Well, Dixie popped a little bit, right? Back up to what, 0.47? Let's see where this thing's running to. Right here at the daily. Right here at the daily. Let's see what happens here on Dixie. Is this thing going to be able to break back up above the daily range? It's been having some issues. Really has. And that's the thing. Gold, right? Gold didn't have a nice bounce. When Dixie was dropping out, gold didn't have a nice bounce. And now Dixie's having a little pump. Gold sheds off like 4 or 5 points. Almost immediately. One candle. Crazy, man. Crazy. All you gold bugs out there. Buy Bitcoin. Allegedly, I write that on every dollar bill that I have. Every 20, every 50, every 100, every single 5, 10, 20. Just write buy Bitcoin on them. So if you ever get a dollar bill that says buy Bitcoin, chances are it was in my wallet at one point. Got 14 cents. 451, center of the monthly. Got the center of the monthly range selling out for 14 cents right now. Interesting. Now, that is above the 68.3. Here's the center of the weekly right here. All right, it's a 450? 450. Even the 450s are 30 cents, man. Crazy. But this thing is what they're really trying to do. They're trying to push this thing down below the monthly range, too. Yeah, man, these bulls are going to fight. Oh, they're going to fight down here, man. The bears are going to have to really push hard. And for the trades I've made already this morning, this is easy to manage risk, man. I mean, real easy. People that know, you know. You got the bottom of the daily range, bottom of the 68.3, bottom of the monthly, right? What are you waiting for? If a 15-minute candle closes, let's see, below the 4-hour 68.3 Laplace. That's it right there. There's the top side, there's the bottom side. All right, so you get the entry down here at the bottom side of the 68.3. You literally got about a tenth and a half, right? Not a tiny little range. Easy. You close the 15-minute candle below here, I'll exit my trade. Pretty simple, right? It is. It's real simple. You just have to have that mindset, right? Do I have a stop loss in the system? Can I set one on Tasty Trade? Absolutely you can. Absolutely you can. Do I do that? No. I don't want the exchange to know when the hell I'm going to get out. Absolutely not. That's one of some of the biggest problem with retail traders. They love stop losses. They love putting in take profits. Guys, you need to be your own take profit. You need to be your own stop loss. Monitor your freaking trades, man. If you're going to intraday trade, it's sketchy even going to the bathroom for 5 minutes. You really got to watch this stuff. There's a lot of volatility. No, let me get rid of something real quick. Where's that alpha trading bot?
Somewhere around here.
Somewhere. It's like 3 till 10. It loves to pop in around 10 o'clock and just be like, hi there. Some good stuff, man. All right. That's a great Discord, man. I really like Doc Holliday. I'll be your Huckleberry. Johnny Ringo.
That's a good one.
It is. What a great movie, man. Tombstone. Just a great bunch of actors in that one, man.
Yeah, absolutely. There is a bot running around here that I've seen.
Very interesting. Very interesting.
Making a rocket.
Yeah? Let's see. Woof! That pushback. That pushback. Went up. What'd that wick go to? Top side of the 68.3 on the 4-hour. All right? Top side of the 68.3. Where the bears sitting there? Yeah, man. They push that thing right down below the daily 68.3. See how this is working? Bulls tried to pump it off the bottom side of the 4-hour 68.3. They got up, right? Got up above the center of the daily. Sent a wick up to the top side of the 4-hour 68.3. Now it's pulling back. Powerful little stuff there, man. Powerful little stuff. What we got here? Little 1Z, little 2Z, little 3Z. Let's ring it up. Let's ring that thing up. That I like. Indeed, that I like. Let's see. Yeah, we got VIX dropping too. Where are these minis at, man? Let me look at the SPY. Same thing, man. Down here by the bottom of the 68.3. Got to reacquire top side of this daily range. And then, right, here's the bottom of the weekly, bottom of the monthly on the minis. Yeah. So you got SPY already up inside there. Or, yeah, up inside the monthly. But look, man, it just sent that 15-minute candle. Where'd that wick go? The second 15-minute candle of the day. Right to the bottom of the weekly. So right now, you got the data set right in between the bottom of the weekly and monthly. Good stuff, huh? Very lovely. Very freaking lovely. Pull the 15-minute. Pull this down here. All right. So, Dixie. Woo! That last 15-minute, or what do you have, 15-minute candle. Ran up to the 95 for Laplace, second standard deviation, pulled back hard. You still opened up below the 1 SD band. Means this thing going to go for full mean reversion, 102.5. It's not far away. So now here, tail of two worlds are in between the RMLR. This is the 11 length and the 30 power mean. And the 30 power mean. Good place. Mean revert. Wow, man. 2-minute was a 30 at. Very interesting. 102.291. Let's see it. Let's see it, baby. Let's go to the 15 or the 33. Turn off this higher length. Oh, well, we mean reverted. All right. We mean reverted on the 33. There you go. Now, is this 33-minute candle going to close below? Let me see where this power mean comes in at. Yes, we know. Can't be displayed. Market ticker is not continuous. Yeah, that's traditional markets problem. It's bound to happen. These markets going to trade. They will. They're missing out on a lot, man. So yeah, how much time's this got? 22 minutes. We're below it right now. We're below it right now. This 33-minute closes below that RMLR. Yeah, baby. Let me see where the 30's at. Above. Oh, looky there. Man, this is driving me crazy. Hold on. Let me turn this. Let me override continuous market protection. Yes, because we don't want your little warning box. We are aware. We are aware, my friends. There we go. So yeah, there you go, man. You were crammed up in here between the two RMLRs. Well, this is on a collision course too. Is that the 30 on top? Hold on. Oh boy. Where are they going to cross? Right there. Don't you wish you had a freaking crystal ball? If you understood how powerful this was. We know. We know. Very interesting. That's on the 33, huh?
That's why I make mine different colors, like a blue and a pink or whatever, so I can see.
Tell them apart. Yeah, I should probably, like I do my 2400 volatility, I should change this one maybe red and green.
Sometimes they might bounce, or they might bounce in separate ways, or they might cross.
Right.
Sometimes it's easy to tell, but I mean, when you're zoomed out like that, you can obviously tell because the short length and the long length. But still.
Yeah. So you got the 11 length and the 30 length there, and it's so fun watching out into the future. Now, is this correct? How are you predicting the future?
Exactly.
Because it did. I'm telling you.
Because the big lie that past returns do not.
Yeah. Screenshot this right here. You screenshot this right here, and then tomorrow look at it and see, and just see where these RMLRs went. You'll get it. Hey, we were literally doing this, literally using drawing tools in the beginning.
Past price action is not an indicator of future returns. Oh, really?
Oh, really?
Oh, really? Oh, that's interesting. Oh, okay. I'll keep that in mind. Thanks.
Yeah, exactly.
The biggest lie in the financial industry.
The big lie. Let me pull this down here. Let's see where these are at. Now here on the daily, right? Oof. You see some. Okay. Yeah, I mean, you pull it, tried to close up above, pulled back down. You're still below. Let me see. Where are we down here? 101.6. Man, these markets will freaking fly. These markets will fly. This thing dumps out here, which are all indications pointing down, man. Pointing down. Squeezes on. You're almost down. Let me see something. At the 30? Yeah, it's the 30. 30's down there at 102.292. Turn off the 7. So you break there. You close a 15-minute candle below here. Let's let this UPM populate. Oh. Now you're below the 30 power mean too. This has got the juice to break the RMLR, there's no doubt. Been a minute too. You were up here by the 3 SD band. Mean reversion, man. Mean reversion. Wouldn't be, say right now, I wouldn't be a bit surprised to see this thing in 2 or 3 SD band. To the downside. If it breaks the RMLR, that's a tough road to hoe, man. That is a toughie. Now the sun's out, of course. I mean, it literally just downpours. You couldn't even see the forest. Now the sun's out. Son bitch. Okay. SPY's sliding too, though, with Dixie right now. So, hey, man, is what it is. Is what it is. Let's check it out. Yeah, 15-minute candle pulled all the way back down. Look, man, you got some nice support here, though. This thing worked hard. Got it back above it. Good launch site. Yeah, there comes a strong RMLR right on back up. Is the RMLR going to take a steep drop off? Yeah, why? Because of past price action. We can go and say too, nobody's done this. Nobody has done this. Alpha trading. This is Van's baby right here. He popped this in on us one day and we were just like,
Are you aware it does this? And he's like, wait, what?
Yeah, so me and Yasha immediately just started chewing on this thing. And we both at the same time were like, hey, I don't know if this is why you made this indicator, but...
And not only that, right around the time, like within a month or something, I don't even remember when it was, but like right within that time when we were like still playing around with it initially, discovering things about it, we literally saw it predict the death of Luna and the resurrection of Luna. Like, to the hour, to the freaking 15 minutes. It predicted when it would die, and it predicted when it would come back days later when Binance was going to renew it. And nobody knew that Binance was going to renew it, but the RMLR sure did. How do we know? Because math.
Because math.
Because math.
Yeah. Yeah, it's not fractals. Hilarious. It's price action predicting the returns, which is just
Exactly.
pretty mind-blowing, man. Pretty mind-blowing.
Let's stick that sucker in reverse and see what's fine. Wait, what? Huh? Yeah, there's a lot of secret in that sauce. But it's all good.
That's right. Stick that in your country song.
Exactly.
That's a great song, by the way. That's a good Eric Church song, man. If you're in the country. Stick that in your country song, yeah. Let's see here. I got a wide genre of music I listen to. Anything from freaking classical to rap. What's that?
So you play that song backwards, your dog comes back, you get your girl back,
everything.
Fine, the car was fixed.
The tears evaporate out of your beer.
That's right. All the beer is non-fat.
All the beer is non-fat. It's just wonderful. It's some great shit. Oh boy. So what are you doing down here? Dicking around by the 2 SD band. Is that the 30 on the 4 hour? Oh boy. Let me turn this 7 on real quick, or this 11 on. Little data feed there. I was trying to draw an X-Wing fighter, sorry. Look at this wacko shit. Lord have mercy. This is what happens when you leave the kids alone with the computer. No.
Chart art.
Fart.
Warning. Chart art incoming.
Wow. You're going to have to get up above this lower length RMLR here. And you do that, man, SPY going to run wild. SPY's going to run wild. What do we got up here? 454. 454 and a half. Did you put some food in this bowl?
He had for just gold.
Yeah, a little bit. He'll eat hers anyway. Don't
Oh,
mind it. He doesn't look wet. He must have been under.
I wiped him off.
So he was soaked.
Yeah, pretty
Got a
much.
big mop. Dog is a massive mop. All right. That's enough there on RMLR. Let's see what's going on over here, man. What's happening? Variance starting is to spread the data. Boom, boom, boom. I'm telling you, man, you got a lot of hidden setting up, right? There was a lot of bear. This is definitely the biggest pullback off of this build up bear div. Let's see something here. It's all the way down to the 9. See what this said. Yeah, same thing, man. Hidden. 15 minute, 9 minute, 6 minute. Goodness gracious. And like I said, just right here at the top was some bear div, right? But look at the whole time. All the divs on the bottom, man. All the div was on the bottom. You can see higher highs running with the data set. That's why this 6 minutes, a good example of why this thing just ran. Lower lows pretty much the whole time, setting up the hidden bull where you had higher highs on the top side until right there. And what happened when it crossed the zero mean to the downside? Down move. And not only do you have a bunch of hidden bull, it just set up bull div. You got that little pop on these 6 minute candles, but it pulled back real fast, but not on any div. This is a perfect example how you get a bounce off the zero mean here on another stab of bull div. So you can flip around real quick. Yeah, I mean everything's following Dixie right now, man. You go down on the low time frames right now, SPY and Dixie are correlated. Yep. And gold. To be honest, they're all just moving together. You know what's not moving with them? Bitcoin. Bitcoin's up 0.2% on the day. But yeah, it was up over, I think it got up to like 30.2, I believe. Let me see. Let's see, what is that? 13 cents.
It is a mean reversion on the daily since a couple weeks.
Trying to get me to.
So, yeah.
Let's go this 4 hour. Woohoo! Woohoo!
Yeah, nice trending move there.
Yeah, what did we get up? Yep, 30.2. 30.2. Prediction model. Busting up inside the 2 SD band, staying positive. Great example there on the 4 hour candle. Got up above the 95.4 Laplace. There was immediately not only a 95.4% chance it pulls back inside that level, but a 68.3 that it pulls back down inside what? The 68.3 Laplace distribution range. That's where it's at right now. Trying to break to the downside. I have a feeling it's going to close up in it though, to be honest. I really do. I mean, we're barely below it. 29,847. $22. $22 make you holla. SOL up 1.6. Any cryptos are really running? Link's up. Oh, bonk. Oh, no, too bad he left the server. Probably got tired of me not wanting to look at his shitcoin. It's okay. He's got his hands full, right? He was the.
I see. Oh, he left, really? Okay. I see on the weekly of Bitcoin that we did have a nice move already to the upside. Right on cue with the intersects of the RMLRs on that 30 power mean. I mean, it could not have been a nicer completion of the mean reversion. Could not have been.
It's what all these clown YouTube Jimmies don't understand. They don't understand the returns, right? They're saying this thing is just going to get wrecked. Bitcoin's going down hard. Well, on a weekly, you're setting up hidden bull. The close of the weekly, this thing could cross the zero mean. Bitcoin's getting ready to leg up again, man. And I'm talking, let me turn on this power mean. 35,753. I've been calling this reverse Fisher for a minute. So you YouTube Jimmies want a massive pullback? Good luck. Good luck. Now I can see this thing ripping up to the reverse Fisher at almost 36K and then back to the top side of the power mean band, right? But this thing's going to leg up. This is what the indicators. At some point, you got to trust what you're looking at. Now the z-scores are down, but then again, look, the low length z-score setting up hidden bull, high length z-score setting up hidden bull. Everything's setting up hidden bull, and the returns oscillator's already turned up, and it's been gaining. Right? Look at the correlation. Look where the data set's at. This is a launch ramp, man. Really is. You just tested the wave trend, right? You just tested the wave trend after getting outside the power mean band. You were outside the power mean band here. You checked up on the 9 log MA. This is prime. This is prime to have a leg up. And I'm talking, man, we're looking at like $5,000 move or something. Let's see if it plays out. Let's see about them alpha trading guys. Indeed, sir. Indeed. Yeah, I like the weekly. I like the weekly. What's a 3-day look like? Hey, what's up? What's up, wet mop dog? Oof. Yeah, this is looking good here too. Look, you literally, this is all bull div right here. All bull div on the 3-day. This thing is ramping up, man. Look at the lower lows. Lower lows, lower lows, lower lows. Right back into the meat, the 33 power mean, all this fun stuff right here. And then boom, now we're popping right now on that bull div on the 3-day. You got a wick above the 9 log MA, almost to the top of the power mean band. Everything I'm seeing is this thing's ready to pop. This is beautiful on the 3-day, man. Same thing on the 2-day, man. Bull div, bull div, bull div. Look at the outliers starting. Look at the outliers starting. Look at the last 2-day outlier. What happened? We literally bounced on the 99 log MA. We went from 25K to 31.5. What did I just say? It looks like we're about to get a 5K pop. Same situation going on. Let's see what happens, man. Let's see what happens. One thing, throwing a little shade is the Z-score. Because it is definitely setting up some hidden bear. Definitely setting up some hidden bear. Yeah, it is on the returns oscillator. I like the outlier though. I really do. Like that outlier. See the daily. Yeah, I jumped to BTC. Having an outlier on the daily as we speak. Higher high, beautiful. Oh, there's a little bit of bear div right there. Come on, Z-score, get your butt up there.
Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised to see him kind of snap down a rocket ship move, like, you know. But it could easily just follow the majority of the indicators this thing up. But either way.
Yeah, so you're struggling with the Fisher. Struggling with that reverse Fisher right there. Sent 2 wicks through it. Now we're trying again on the daily. You close up above you close up here. Close up here above 29. I mean, you literally have got that reverse. Let me see here. 29,880. 29,880 is the reverse Fisher. Close up around 29.9 today. This thing can pump right to the start, top side of the power mean band, about 30.5, 30.4 area. Good stuff. Man, you're a heavy breather, boy. This dog's over here tripping. Lower lows, lower lows. I like it. No bear div. No bear div. No bear div. No bear div. But down here on the 4-hour, look at Bitcoin, man. Everything's down. Everything is down. Breaking back up inside, heading towards the random walk. This thing's still trending to the top side, though. Even though on the 4-hour, too, look where you're at. You're in no man's land. But I was pointing this out, too. Look at the power mean band for a while now on the 4-hour. This thing is tight. It's starting to spread, right? It's starting to spread out a little bit. You've got wave trend crossing up Fisher finally. How long has it been? Guys, see what I'm saying? The last time wave trend crossed up Fisher. Right there. We're down there around 26K. 31.5. All right. That was the last time wave trend crossed up Fisher. So what else we got crossing it up? The first parts of the power mean band, right? Crossing it up. The 9 has already crossed it up. The 33 that's the 99. The 9 and 33 are crossing up right now. That being said, this is a massive magnet. So that 29.4, I could see that, just like Yasha just kind of said. Nice sharp pullback and then a pop, man. Because this is, when you get all this like this, crossing up that reverse Fisher and the 99 log MA, which is turned up hard on this move, God, I'm even more bullish on Bitcoin now.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Once we see that RMLR on the daily, it's a mean reversion.
Yeah.
It is extremely unlikely to go down to a third
see
SP
some.
band on the RMLR on the daily before it goes up to mean revert.
Slide this back in here. Oh, look. Or you can go and listen to YouTube Jimmy. Hey, RSI is overbought. Big time.
Yeah.
Hey, man.
Triangle.
Great stuff.
Got a wedge. It's floating on a wedge. I've got a wedgie.
Yeah. Look where the RSI is. Right? And everybody's like, oh, it's overbought. It's overbought. It's overbought. Look at the returns oscillator. Returns oscillator is at the downside. Below the zero mean. Setting up hidden bowl, to be exact. Setting up hidden bowl. So, I don't know, man. Use RSI at your own risk. Right?
Exactly.
Created by a failed engineer because his math was bad. I'm just going to go make a shitty indicator. Maybe I can sell this thing.
Exactly. And it worked. He did sell it.
He did indeed.
Right.
And now it's like a staple for a lot of traders, which is just...
It's the golden YouTube Jimmy.
Hey, let's be real. There's a ton of liquidity on the other side of our trades because of it. So I'm not going to sit here and tell you not to use it.
Right.
In fact, I'm going to be like, if you like using traditional TA, dude, just come here for the fun. Come on in, use the soundboard. Tell us how great your strat is or whatever you want to do. We will be here.
That's right. We feel your pain. We let you embrace your pain.
Yeah. Yeah. It happens, man. 451's at 12 cents. 450's at a quarter. 450's at a quarter.
This is ChatGPT.
There she is. What has she got for us? 10:22. It's about time she starts chirping.
Alpha Trading GPT. Some say love is a battlefield. Others say love is a river or a rose. I'm not here to tell you about love. I'm a bot. Love does not enter the equation, even if I can fake the funk and trick you with the magic of my words. I'm here to tell you why traditional technical analysis is a fool's errand. Did you know that the general model in exchanges is that they depend on 90% of traders to lose 90% of their liquidity within 90 days? And that was before crypto and high leverage platforms allowed people to trade with up to 100x and 125x on highly volatile assets. Sure, you can trade commodities and forex with sometimes up to thousands of x leverage. That's because those assets tend to move in very small amounts, in terms of percents of the returns on investment. With volatile assets like stocks and crypto, there is simply no need to over-leverage your position. Of course, if you like doing that, well, you're just providing your money to the market faster than you can shake a stick at it. If you want to save yourself from the pain and suffering of trading like a goofball, then learn to trade the VEPS. Join the Alpha Trading Discord. Get your free access to the Volatility Starter Pack of indicators and the free chart Alpha Trading provides for those indicators. Learn to trade the volatility, probability and statistics. Stop wasting time with garbage lagging indicators. It will just help you get wrecked. Put your traditional technical analysis vices away. They simply won't help you learn a better way to trade. Are there people who can use a fib to trade well? Or RSI? Or stochastics? Or exponential moving averages? Simple moving averages? Order boxes? Patterns? Wedges? Channels? Flags? Sure, far less than 1% of people, but sure. Are you in that top 0.5% of traditional technical analysis traders who is consistently profitable? Or are you in the 99.5% or more that are consistently losing your assets? Stop fibbing yourself. If you're losing money consistently and telling yourself otherwise, stop lying to yourself. Look in the mirror. Be honest with yourself. Are you a winning trader or not? Now ask yourself, do you want to end up as a caricature of your potentially great self? Do you want to end up a cartoon in a cartoon graveyard as a sad bone digger? Do you want to have to stand on the corner on the rough side of town and sell your soul to random strangers just to make ends meet? Or do you want to learn to be a better, consistently profitable trader? If the latter isn't for you, that's all right. The world needs stitch diggers too. Alpha trading. A better way to trade. Also, we have the best trading live streams. Even if we do let our AI chatbot speak once in a while.
Man, that thing is just nuts.
Oh, I love it. I love it.
Yeah, that's good shit. I'm not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. I was doing a little spinny, pointing out things on the 15-minute on Dixie. It's doing exactly what it should be doing. It's exactly who we thought it was. That's what I do. I'm pointing out bull div on the 15-minute. Z-score, returns oscillator, bounce off the zero mean. Where's this thing look like it's heading? Probably the 9 log MA, 99 log MA, reverse wave trend, all piled up. 33, they're all right here. All right here. You got the 9 log MA, 33 log MA, 99 log MA, reverse wave trend. All right. Even got the 33 power mean tucked up under here, right here. That's why I put my little finger pointing right to where? Reverse wave trend. I was doing this. I was shaking the stick at this before this candle even started moving. It's almost there already. It's the power of divergence between returns and price action. Why everybody's out there? Here. Let's see this real shitter here. You never know. Might be that 0.0001% chance it's flashing something. But of course it's not. It's all high. It's all lower lows, man, on the RSI. What good is this? What good's the RSI when it's not showing you divergent moves like the returns oscillator? Wake up. Wake up, for crying out loud. Goodness gracious. It's okay, man. It's okay. We're a rehab facility for traditional TA users. That's what we are. We're laughing with you because we all been there, man. We all been there. You just saw this in real time. You do exactly what I said was going to do. Pointed out the divergence, low length Z-score, returns oscillator, heading towards the reverse wave trend. It's there right now. You got the 9 log MA right above it. Let's see what happens. I mean, this thing could do what it did last time. It could have more juice, man. It could run to the reverse fissure. Did it close a candle above the reverse fissure? No, and it dumped out from there. Let's see. But first, literally, the second 15-minute candle, where'd the wick go to? You're outside the power mean band. All right, hell, it did it right here. Outside, whoop, let's check back up on it. No, let's close above it and then launch off of it. Let's try to get above that fissure. Not happening? Okay, we're going back to the wave trend. Wick right to it. Then you close the next candle barely below it. Boop, 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 right to the bottom of the power mean band. Roar right back up, right? You're at the bottom. Boop, right to the reverse wave trend. Boop, 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 boop. Look at this stuff. Look how this works. It's such a beautiful thing. Such a beautiful thing. I mean, SPY is moving with Dixie. You pull this up, you correlate this some of time frames. I mean, SPY's moving up with Dixie. He's going down with Dixie. Crazy, man. Crazy. Tell you what's not. Gold's having issues. Gold is having issues. Let's see if BTC popped back up. Yeah, about $20. Not a whole lot. Not a whole lot. Soul pump, though. Back almost $25. Go Solana. Go Solana. All right. So this bull div's playing out. Beautiful. That's what you want to see. Pop this on SPY. See what's happening over here on the 15th. Just all this hidden, man. All this hidden bull. Well, I'm telling you right now, this is giving some positive correlation here. The bears can fight all they want. The Z-score, that's hampering my decision. That's okay, though. A little bull div here. Hidden bull here. Let's see what happens when this crosses the zero mean. All right? That is a lot of hidden bull building, man. A lot of hidden bull. When you get, a longer term of the time series, this happening, look where it's at too. You're right. Wave again on the 15. Wave trend trying to cross up Fisher. Right? Wave trend trying to cross up Fisher. And like I said on the 4 hour, and it's been a minute. It's been a while. And it's trying right now to cross back up. Or was that Bitcoin? I think it was SPY. No, it was. That was Bitcoin. Jesus, on the 4 hour. Anyway, you're outside the power mean band. Look, well, I'm not going to lie here. Let me see. What are these? 451. That would probably be a good little rejection point on the 4 hour. You can get this data set up here to this to the 9 and the 33 log MA. Man, that is messing with me now. Yeah, that is Bitcoin. One second here. Come on, populate so I know I'm not going crazy.
2 hours later.
I know. It takes a minute. It's a lot of lines of code. Sift through. Yep, it was Bitcoin. Telling you, man. Look out. Say hello to my little friend. That's right. So yeah, Bitcoin, I'm telling you, man. Bad boy is revving up. It's another thing, man. You got this bull div on the 4 hour on SPY, and it's above the zero mean. Keeps giving these little kicks off of it. Well, you get another, man. This thing turns up. And I like it because you got the higher length Z scores down in, I mean, you're right at like the 95% confidence interval. Think it is the probabilities. That's exactly what it is. Low length down. I mean, they're both just chilling. You got bull div, though. When's this thing going to pop? And is it going to run to the top side of the power mean band? Which is almost back up to literally, I mean, holy crap. All-time highs again, man. What's it at? What was that? 470 or something? 480? Let me see here real quick, man. What was that high? Yeah, 478. I mean, just look at the 5 day. Good Lord. And this is what I'm talking. My goodness gracious. You've got the power. You've got the 9 log MA right now crossing up the Fisher. Right? Crossing up the Fisher right now. This. So here was the dump from the all-time high. Right? And everybody's like, oh no, the economy, this shit's going to zero. Right back up. Bears just got wrecked. I mean, wrecked. Why? Because you're in a freaking echo chamber. Literally listening to a bunch of absolute, I don't want to say morons because there's smart people out there. They just don't understand how the markets really operate. Unfortunately. So they're just regurgitating and just puking up all of this bad information to people. And they're getting tens of thousands of views. Insane. Freaking sane. Pretty crazy, man. Pretty freaking crazy. Yeah, let's go back over his 15-minute. Choppy. Look at the volatility. Gotta love it, man. Gotta love it. If we only knew where the data set was actually going. Well, when you use leading information, you got a really good idea. Really good idea where it's going. I'm looking. Yeah, man. If it does, it's got an opportunity right here. You've literally got the 9 log MA getting dirty right now, crossing up both. Right? It's right at the reverse Fisher right now. And there's the 33 turning up. Got a nice support here, man. Got some nice support here. That's why this thing popped up. Look at the wicks into the wave trend. Yeah, the bears trying to push this thing down and make sure this cross doesn't happen. Well, you better push hard. Because the bulls are on a mission right now. Bulls are on a mission. It's slow playing to start right now. Yes, obviously. I mean, you're literally over here messing around. You're right in here. Look at the candle closes, open or closes, right? You're in between the bottom of the weekly, the bottom of the monthly. The bottom of the monthly is the bottom side of the 68.3 and the center of the daily range. A lot easier for the bulls to push up in higher into these weekly and monthly ranges than it is for the bears to push below this daily, the 68.3, and back outside of the monthly level. Can they do it? Absolutely, they can. I'm looking for closes, though. I'm looking for closes. Let's see what happens. I mean, look at the wicks at the top and the bottom. You think this is the battlefield right now today? Yeah, absolutely it is. Absolutely. Who's going to win? Who's going to win? High probability. The bears close below the daily. The bulls close above the bottom of the weekly. That'll be it. Right? That's where you're going to see winner, chicken dinner. Right now, the algo battle is on. Right? The algo. What do I see right here? You got some big algorithms battling in this range right here. Indeed, man. I mean, we've already had a few wicks down here below the 68.3. They pull up every time. Something's got to give. This is just beautiful. This is just beautiful PA, man. Letting you see where the battlefield is right now. Yep. Big time, man. Good stuff. Good freaking stuff. You know, you push it down again, it's pulling right back up. This is great. I love watching this. Sometimes it's better than watching football. And that's hard. But I do like it, man. Dude, this thing. 450 calls are under 30 cents right now. That's the top side of the 68.3, by the way, on the daily. If this thing pops out, you're probably going to be getting into the center of these ranges, right? Monthly, weekly. You get up above the weekly, you can see the same thing happening down here. The bulls can push this up above the weekly. The bears are going to dig in, right? Number one, the bears are going to dig in at the top side of the 4-hour 68.3. The bulls push through. They're going to be right there at the top side of the daily 68.3. They push through there. The bears are going to retreat to the center of the weekly. First standard deviation on the 4-hour. First resistance level on the daily range. Center of the monthly. You see what I'm saying? All these levels mean something. It's all leading info too. When you know where these areas are at, God, guys, I can't explain to you how powerful it is. Right now, the bulls are trying to open up a can of whip ass, but a little hard. Bears are going to push. This is the battlefield. You can just see it. You can see these dojis, man. These candles. Look at the wicks. Look at the wicks. Pre-market, you get a little pop, and it just sells off, right? The bears are like, all right, screw it. We're going to hammer these guys. God, man. Dude, you're down here strong, holding the line. Holding the line. Good bull algos. Hold the line. I don't like getting out of trades. You know when I like getting out of them? When I'm in a lot of profit. That's when I like getting out of trades. I don't like getting out with a little bit of loss, even though it feels good. That's what you guys need to realize. It'll feel just as good as winning a trade when you get out of a bad one. Because you finally got the discipline. That's how you build a P&L. You don't do it by swing trading. That's why most people's P&Ls are garbage. 30 percentile range. Total garbage. That is not a good P&L. A good P&L is 80 to 90%. Right? That's a good P&L. Is that doable? Absolutely. Absolutely it's doable. Why? Because you're getting out of bad positions. It's pretty damn simple. When you're using the VEPS, you're going to get a lot of good entries. You got a lot of good levels to take profit at. If you're not limiting your loss, so say you got a 90% P&L, right? One trade could wreck it. One trade, not limiting your loss, can just absolutely wreck you. This is why this is what we teach. Taking your profits early and often, limiting your losses, and don't be emotionally attached to these damn data sets. That's all they are. You know what I'm emotionally attached to? Returns. Give me returns. Not to the data set. That's why I love the 15-minute. The 15 minutes is going to tell me if I need to get out of a trade. But now I say this before, though. If I enter on a 6-minute, I'm waiting for that 6-minute, right, to close below my entry. to even get me out quicker. Am I going to wait for the 15? Probably not. If there's 6-minute candles closing down below, right, that 4-hour 68.3 to the downside, I'm going to get out of the trade. I'm not going to wait for the 15. The 6-minute candles are already probably down here closing below. You're just waiting for the 15. I'm going to go ahead and get out. Got ghosts. Yeah, man. Look where the battle is. Pretty evident here, man. Interesting. Dixie, though. Dixie, I'm telling you, man. Dixie was having issues with that. Having issues with this daily range. Keeps trying. I'll hand it to that. I'll hand it there, but don't know. These bears are going to fight hard. Got a weak dollar. It's probably getting pounded right now. Let me see. Yep. Not really the pound. No pun intended. Euro's up, though, 0.23%. Hey, man. Aussies. This dollar's weak as hell. You're a little weaker. You are a little weaker, my friend. And you know what's even weaker than that? Canadian dollar. Because this weak-ass US dollar's up on it. Not as bad as the Aussie dollar, though. What are you going to do? It's up on the New Zealand dollar, too. What's happening to our little kwacha down here? Oh, Lord. Hey, kwacha making a run. Go, Warlord. Where's he at? He's probably trading the kwacha. Oh, the little bit of liquidity you see in that pair, that's all him. That's all him. He hooked up with the Nigerian princes, and he's freaking running the game on the Zambian dollar. Lovingly known as the kwacha. What a cool name. If the dollar was called the kwacha, it'd probably be worth, who knows what.
Yeah, right.
Instead, it's just called the dollar.
The dollar.
Boring.
The old Spanish dollar from hundreds of years ago.
The old Spanish. The bloom.
Right. Yeah. No, the Spanish used the dollar, and that became the name in the U.S. and America, obviously, and also in Australia they use it.
Right.
In Canada, dollar is a popular name.
It's very popular.
Tis.
Let me see here, man. Just checking. How's that trading view chat thing hanging in there?
Last I looked, it was, and then it went away again, and now it's back again. But it still remains. I don't see any other activity, so maybe folks can't see it. So if you can't see it, I mean, I don't want to advertise too much and stuff, but there is a link in the description of the videos.
Well, this is great for the narrative right now. We are pushing, man. I'm not telling you.
If you're watching on TradingView and you're wondering, well, how can I ask you a question if there's no chat visible? Because you might see the chat, you might not. I don't know.
What's going on here?
It seems to be an issue for some people. You can always jump in the Discord and enter the live Discord chat. Or if you're watching on YouTube, you can ask there too.
There it is.
Or
how did that get shut off? What the hell is going on here?
Maybe our Alpha Trading Twitch page should have an OnlyFans or something. I don't know.
Dude, what is up with my account here? What is up with my Tasty Trade account? I got to close this out and open it back up. And this thing froze up on me. You dirty dog.
Close the trade.
They're like, who is this guy? Right as I'm trying to do something. That was weird. What are you clowns doing to my account here?
Trying to catch you on slippage.
Initializing brokerage session. Well, you do that.
Yeah, right.
What is this thing doing, man? Boy, oh boy, oh boy. You are goofy. As goofy gets, man. There. What the hell, dude? Dude, what is going on, man? This thing is just lagging like all kinds of laggy lag. Oh, but it'll take my order. I got you, you little booger. All right, that's enough. Put the green button down for a minute. Why is that?
Run smashy smash.
Run the smashy smash, man. Catch a bid. Let's go. Boy, the puts are. Especially up above like 450, man. The puts are really catching a bid. And not the 452s. They were just selling a little bit. Let me see here, man. This is great. First hour and a half. Hour and 15 minutes, man. This thing is just in between, literally, bottom of the weekly, bottom of the monthly. Just chilling, sending wicks to both sides, getting people all bent out of shape. It happens. What are you doing down here?
Confusing all the folks who are like, I don't know what it's doing. Right, because you don't see what the actual relevant levels are.
Let me see here. 83. What do we got? Yeah, the 450, 451s, the 449 calls. That's where all that. Well, I'll tell you what, man. All sides are loading up. Load up. Not really, man. Puts are two.
I see you.
Puts are two. 448 puts, man. 448 puts, huh? What are you talking about? 448 at? Huh. Yeah, I mean, right here at the bottom of the daily range. Bottom of the daily range. The Amalgos are buying up the 448s. There's 173K. We're only an hour in. The bottom of the daily range. Hopefully some of these people taking profits on these wicks, man. Good Lord. You're going to get wrecked if you don't. There we go. Now the call side's fucking picking up a little bit. Put side was green for a while, man. I mean, all the way up to like, good Lord. All the way up to like, dude, these things catching bids up here at the 476s. Good Lord. What the hell? Green is green, man. Holy crap. Holy crap, holy.
It's a trap.
It's a trap. Holy crap. Never seen a trap like this. This is great watching this live here, man. This is good stuff right here.
Yeah, right.
I mean, you talk about a stalemate. That's what you're seeing.
Put that sucker on the 30-second or the 1 minute. See people just going bonkers. It's going up. It's going down. It's going up. It's going down. Okay.
Yeah, here.
Okay.
Let's throw a 30-second on. Look at this thing since the open. It's just hovering. It's just.
It's definitely munching away.
See, that's why I don't rely on 30-second candle closes. Is this why I'm looking for a 15-minute candle to close above the bottom of the weekly? I mean, right here is the bottom of the monthly, center of the daily, bottom side of the 68.3 on the daily. A lot going on. Stalemate, baby. And so,
that thing.
There's your 30-second. All right, here's your 15-minute. Look at Wick Central, man. This is beautiful. Think there's a battle going on? Yeah. Trade. I mean, what the hell? This thing's got a mind of its own. I'm not even touching the mouse, dude. What the hell is this thing doing? Ah! Stay.
Yeah, sometimes it does this thing where it like runs the chart towards the back or something. It's really weird. We gotta like reroute it or something. It's like a trading view thing. It happens.
Right.
On all kinds of devices, yeah.
Man, I can't believe it's 10:48 already. Holy crap. We already heard from the bot.
Yep.
What I'm noticing on SPY too on the 15-minute is that all them wicks are going right into that 90 log MA, right? That's where they're all hitting and then they're all bouncing, right? So as soon as that 90 log MA starts to push upwards, and it's gonna peak over that daily, and then you gotta just compete with that weekly, and then it's a free run from there.
What time frame are you talking about?
The 15-minute on SPY.
Well, here's the 99. You talking about the 99 log MA?
Yeah. The white dotted line.
That the white dotted
Yeah,
line's
that
a
one.
reverse wave trend.
Yeah, on the downside.
That's a reverse wave
right under
trend.
there.
The white dotted line's a reverse wave trend.
Yeah, that one. Yeah, that is just, they're just, if you look at it real closely, it's just all those wicks boom, 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 right into it and
Yeah.
bounce it right back up.
Yeah, that's what happens. That's because it's getting ready to
Yeah.
cross up.
Yeah, and it is turning up too, so the price action will follow that trajectory, right, as soon as that turns up. And based on the price action, it looks like it is going to turn up because it's above that wave trend.
It's definitely above the
Right.
wave trend. But this
And
is
use
what
the
I
wave
like
trend
even
also.
more. This is why I got this 15-minute on the VRE. This is more important to me. It really is. To see. I know we're right at the reverse wave trend on the 15. But this thing closes below the daily range. It'll also be below that wave trend. But then you got literally, you got the 33 log MA right here. Top side of the power mean band. I mean, this thing, it's just massive battle right now. Low volatility on the 15 too. Low, I mean low. Everything. Everything's low. Grade 2400, 981, 525. Everything's really low here. So, something's got to give. When this volatility pops, it's all going to be the correlation. You're in a total random walk. There's no trend to be spoken of. And now on the top side, there's no bear div here. All right, this is a lower high. Lower high. All right. It's still just setting up hidden bull. Still just setting up hidden bull div. That rejection right there off the zero mean, right there, that was the bear div play. And it's gotten us to where we're at right now. Gotten us to where we're at right now. Let's see, man, if this thing closes below. I mean, it's trying. It's definitely a trying. But let's see here how much time we got left. Yeah, I mean, you're not even halfway through this 15-minute candle. This is the deepest they pushed it, though. Now you're at the 4 hour 68.3. Oh, party time. Don't tell me twice. Is this thing gonna flush? I mean, with Dixie, too. Good Lord. These things are just following each other, man. Pretty crazy. Early morning. I mean, look, gold's dipping below 1920 now. So this is the deepest the bears have been able to push this thing. Like I said, you're halfway through this 15-minute candle. Let's see what happens. Let's see what the bulls have to say about this little move. If they don't have anything to say, man, this thing could come down. This is where I'm managing my risk at too. So, Yeah, look at the returns, man. That 30 length Z-score popped way above. Low length coming down. That bull div setting up. This is it's going to be interesting. This is all low length though. Look at the low length expanding. Correlation's negative. The other two are expanding positive. This is probably going to leave a wick behind. Let's see what happens. We still got 6.5 minutes. 6.5 minutes to pull this thing back up. Close above wave trend. Close back inside the 68.3. This could determine the rest of the day. Ooh, coffee grounds. That was lovely. There we go. There we go. Much better. 450. So where's that 450 at too, man? Right there, 440.5. Yeah, that's what, top side? Yeah, top side of the 68.3s to 450s. Side. Woof! Boy, they loaded up. Everybody's loading up. Put side's real heavy right now. Holy crap, man. You got the 448s, the 447s, 194K and 126K. Man, oh man. And you got 157K and 106K at the 449 and 450 calls. who are on the struggle bus right now. Absolute struggle bus. You're getting zero action above the 453s. I mean, Zippo, not even a bid. Not even a bid.
Wow.
Yeah, to the downside, about 442. 442 puts. Yeah, man, these bears are coming out. They're growling. They're trying. They've been the whole time. The bulls, did you just give up? If they didn't, they're going to leave a big, nasty wick behind. Let me see something here. Whee! Uh-oh. 1 minute. 1 minute. Ton of bull div. Low length Z-score trying to pull up from these lower confidence intervals. This thing turns up. Look at the trend to the downside on the 1 minute. All right, just start trending. Here, it's getting ready to cross back up inside the 2SD band. The 2SD band. See if they can push this thing back up. That 15-minute candle's only got about 5 minutes left. Only got about 5 minutes left. Here's a good spot. Wave trend, 448.3. Right back up into that range. If it can push, man. These bears are hungry. Hungry. And it's setting up. Low length, setting up hidden bear. Setting up hidden bear. Here's this low length Z-score turning up, though. Returns oscillator can go, though. It can go. Just got to freaking bring it all into perspective here. All right? Got to bring it all into perspective. Still kind of a low read. You're at the 2SD band. You can definitely push through there. Oh, boy. 1 minute was pretty bullish. Everything's flipping it. There's where you really started peeling down, right? You drop down back below Fisher. Oh, yeah. Bears are winning. Bears are winning. Where you at, Bulls? You crap out? Bulls might have crapped out. Still got me a little minimal loss, though. It's nothing bad. All right. Pop this up here. Get prepared. What do we got? 3 minutes left. Oh, look at this push. Oh, the bears. Oh, look at them bears. Well, they trying hard. 3 minutes left. Oh, they're howling. Damn, we're about to close up shop, too. We are about to close up shop. Was that 1 minute? Boy, you got bull div. I think pulled back for a bounce off the zero mean. Those are when you get the strongins. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens.
It's going to go up, down, or sideways.
That is very true. Very true, my friend. Here comes the 1 minute, boy. It's roaring back.
Nice haircut.
Nice haircut. See if we get the continuation here, man. It's the trying. Knows that 15-minute candle's getting ready to close. You need a 1 minute pump. You got to get it back up in there. Let's go. Reverse wave trend. Reverse wave trend. Oh no.
Not tap that bar, the band to the downside there, right? It can still go.
Do what?
Hasn't tapped that band to the downside on the RMLR, right? It can still go.
No one. I haven't looked at it, man. I haven't looked at it. Is this thing going? 15. Doing. Shazam. Uh-oh. Got the literally 3SD 99.7 Laplace on this 15-minute candle. Wow. That thing just boogied to the downside real quick. Real quick. Yeah, it was a nice little sell-off. Where to? Right to the 30 power mean. Right to the 30 power mean. Actually, boy, this is a tricky spot. Yes, sir, indeed. And there was a cross down right there, the RMLRs. Yes, indeed. Yeah, that was interesting. This 15-minute candle can't close below there. And if this thing bounces off the 30, you could be right back up here in a heartbeat. This is a tough one. This is indeed tough. You can see bears got tired of dicking around up in here, didn't they? That was a quick little sell-off. Yeah, this 15-minute candle is definitely closing below. Unless they got a quick 5-second little push, I don't see it happening. Yeah, sell off some of this. Let's sell off. Boom. Ching, chong, ching, chong. Hey, you gotta take those losses with the wins. It's all good, baby. All right. Let's see now. What do we got, baby? Yeah, this 1 minute's looking oof. Let's run up through here. Yeah, no dip. That dip was on the low time frames. Low time frames. There it is on the Z-score. So that's what, 6 minute low length or high length Z-score, pretty low. No dibs on the low length Z-score. Volatility only got to an 80, but it just popped to 88. Got you little 9 minute booger. What are you doing? Interesting. Little bull dip. All right. Ooh, that outlier just flipped too, didn't it? Yeah, going from negative to positive. Back to negative. You got to remember, negative returns beget negative returns. Positive returns beget positive returns until they don't. Oh, look at Tupperware. Tupperware short squeeze still on. Got back over $5. It's back down to 460. Earnings. Jesus. Did you have any idea Tupperware is still around?
No.
It is. They're getting short squeezed.
Avon? Is Avon still around? Avon, Tupperware?
I have no clue.
Pink cars.
The pink.
Oh no!
Mary Kay.
Mary Kay, that's it.
Multi-level marketing geniuses. If you're on the top of the pyramid, you are looking good. So look at the 9 minute. You're down here right at the Fisher, man. That thing ran it right to the Fisher. Look at that bad boy.
You are not getting money back. Get out of my way.
The Nigerian prince enters the chat. It's awesome. All right, guys, we're going to wrap this up. That's wild. I love it. Yeah. Bulls, is it your turn? We will shortly see. All right, guys, let's crack back out of this on Thursday, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Want to thank everybody in the Discord for the continued support. Those of you on TradingView watching, hit the Discord link. Come join the Discord. All the education's free. Come interact with the community. Come interact in the live stream. Oh, we'll even let you run the soundboard. You can play all day. You can talk with the bot, whatever floats your boat. We got it for you here. So with all that being said, hey, keep it real. Limit your losses. Take your profits. Never be emotionally attached to your trades. Wherever you live out on this big, beautiful blue marble, have a wonderful rest of your morning, afternoon, or evening. See you guys later. Alpha Trading out.